Thank you. So, I have the plan, Mr. Chief. I will be facilitating this operational field briefing for the Almalo incident. The purpose of this briefing is to communicate the approved plan and assignments for our operational period at 0600 hour to 1800 hour. So, to start, these are our objectives. Number one, ensure the safety of the responders and the general public. Number two, search for drug victims in various barangays. Number three, provide for the emergency list of people in evacuation center. Number four is to clear the risk from roads and areas to facilitate entry of assistance and re-establish power and irrigation lines in the city. So these five objectives will guide our strategic and tactical assignments for the next 12 operational hours. So next, we will hear the current operational status. I don't want to operational section chief.
So good morning, I'm your Chief Dewano. So here's the presentation pictures. Initial particularly Barangay Sama, we have 100 liter and 80 liter facilities, multiple collapse structures, irrigated operational material construction. Nabi access road, barangay maliit, malaki, at masama, remain obstructed by debris, delaying the logistic deployment. The division below, multiple gas, frequent fire outbreaks persist. Initial fire units are engaged, but containment is not yet complete. In summary, we are facing complex dual scenario: the earthquake collapse and the simultaneous fire hazard, requiring tightly synchronized multi-direction action. Thank you.
Thank you, Precious. Before the last assignments, we must consider the leader. So I will now provide the latest forecast for the period ahead. So the latest forecast for today in Division Alpha, ground winds are stable due to previous aftershocks. Overnight, postward. Then fog patches early morning. Possible visual obstruction during side operations. In Division Zulu, Pag-asa source, increasing wind activity after 1000 hours. Possible wind gust 20 to 30 km per hour, which may intensify. Fire spread or smoke direction and predictability. So now, we proceed to the special practical assignments per division. So operations, the floor is yours again.
Thank you. Here are practical tasking for the operational period, 600 hours to 1800 hours. Main duties are now distributed to all division. Division Alpha, SAR team leaded by General Cruz, deployed by SRR team, targeting instructional blocks to deliver the 6 ambulance. Main load brigades, here at Barangay Malaki, to Barangay Masama, immediate event are now assigned and control established control zone. Division Zulu, headed by River Cruz. Reinforced fire suppression team with full capability. Casting specialists arriving at 800 hours to 1200 hours. Main load brigades here at Barangay Malaki. So Barangay Maliit, again, heavy equipment are now assigned. SAR team 2, headed by Angelina Jolie, deploying to SRR for possible trap people. Thank you.
Thank you, Precious. Before running the deployment, safety is not negotiable. We can call our safety officer, Ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. I am Safety Officer Mary Musto. These are the key safety advisories. All responders must priority safety at all times. Southern collapse areas, high aftershock and security collapse risk. All personnel must wear PPE. Stay alert responders enforce body system at all times. Plastic control is mandatory. Any responder exhausted or distracted will be rotated out. Always communicate with team leaders. Stay alert for electrocution due to fire outage. Be aware of sharp objects. Stay alert for collapsed structures, brain wrinkled, or keep hydrated. Then, please report hazardous objects or substances. Thank you.
Safety. Next, we ensure all resources are in place. So, we now call or logistics security, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chief. I am your currently logistic section chief. We have available resources, 2 heavy equipment, 2 bulldozers, 3 tobacco at staging area 1. Also, we have a fuel supply at 5,000 liters at a time. Also, we have 2 ambulance inbound, 300 trauma kits already delivered. Also, we have 10 modular ends, portable lighting, and generators to be fully installed by 0700 hours. Also, we have a satellite house terminal installing and doing an hour frequency. Please refer I-64-205. Ensuring adequate stocks of non-perishable and precious goods. Ensuring water purification and testing for safety. Please report to the pre-advisor immediately. Thank you and God bless us all.
Legal logistics for accountability and cost control. We now hear from our finance chief.
Good morning. I am Janet Perez, your Finance and Admin Section Chief. So for financial and administrative updates, all resource usage and personal deployment must continue to be properly documented. Please flag any activities that may occur over time, hazard day, fuel-intensive operation, or emergency procurement. Financial tracking is critical to ensure operational continuity and proper accountability for post-incident auditing and reimbursement. Accountability and communication are essential. Thank you.
Thank you. So, communication to the public is vital. We will now call our PIO, sir.
Okay. Good morning everyone. I am Renan Belgo as the PIO for the Public Information Officer. For the information, a consolidated press release will be issued tonight at 2000 hours with verified safety instructions and operational status. Further that, no one from the IAT is authorized to speak to the public or media, except through the PIO only. Then, all public statements, including social media or barangay announcement, must be wrote through my office for approval. Be noted, this is to prevent misinformation, public panic, or operational compromise. Information discipline is non-negotiable. Please save or share my contact number 0909-221-9254. For the announcement, schedule filtrate with the approval of my office. Thank you and good morning again.
Thank you, Mr. PIO. Next, for the coordination with all assisting agencies, we will call to our license officer.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Akib Hainan, your liaison officer. Coordination activities with assisting agencies and private partners for the operational review. HACME emails from Jollibee Group for our responders and evacuees begins with operational cycle. All portable water from Nature Spring is already en route. Estimated time of arrival before May Day. Ready-to-eat food and hygiene kits from 7-Eleven Corporate Relief are currently being utilized for delivery today. Reminders lang sa tanan, all assisting agencies must check in at the liaison desk immediately upon arrival to ensure formal STEs and integration of task alignment. Thank you.
Thank you. To provide final and then visual authority, we will now give the floor again to our incident commander.
Thank you. Isipin yung incident commander. Ako kayo ang challenge na ako di ako bangkaron. So maghinaot o ako ginamay sa tanan. We are organized, we are ready, and we are moving as one. So ang atong vital rule, ako kayo ma-challenge sa alang na atong tanan. Focus lang ta sa atong kasatasa ka mga responsibilidad o ang atong itang priority ang safety ka natong tanan o sa atong responsibilidad. Salamat sa nato o sa atong commitment natong tanan sa pag-iktibo nato o pag-ispan sa atong mga gustuin. Salamat. God bless us all. Kalayo ng Ginoo.
So, thank you, and that concludes our operational briefing. After this briefing, all sector chiefs must immediately proceed to your respective team leaders for your final coordination and readiness check before we officially begin operations at 0600 hours. So please turn on your radio and cell phones gadgets today, and our next operational briefing will be conducted tomorrow at the same time at the same venue. Thank you, and God bless everyone.
Everyone.